everybody, we are here at the Commodore Club West, Unit 1001 in Key Biscayne. This property is for sale. It is listed at $1.295. It's a 3-bedroom, 3 full baths, ample floor plan, and I'm going to take you through every single area so that you can check it out. Let's come in. So this is the foyer. You know, you have a very large area that opens towards a very healthy, spacious living and dining room areas. Okay? You have the balcony here, which is more of a terrace if you think about it, and I will tell you why once we venture to this amazing Florida weather that is not doing very good for us today. So I'm going to ask you to be very imaginative and to look at everything and make sure that you imagine it sunny and beautiful. Today is a little bit casted and it is raining. Living room area. This can be the dining room, or it also can be a family room. Because in this area right here, we have set up the dining room, but it could be switched. Why I say that? Come on this way. Lot of wind because I have everything open, but that's okay. We have the kitchen here, fully open kitchen, very ample. And you know what? I'm going to take the camera this way around. And even though it doesn't look the way it's supposed to look, I'm going to try my very best to give you an idea of how it looks. Would you mind just punching this way so that you can look towards the right there where I'm just signaling? You see some red roofs, and then you see a very, very gray zone. Well, that's the ocean. So eventually you have an amazing view from this open kitchen. Again, this could be either a dining room, a formal dining room, it could be a family room, whichever way it goes. There are healthy 2,000 square feet in this apartment. Okay? So now we're going to venture to go outside. How about that? So let me go ahead and take you outside through this door. And again, if you look towards this end, and we're going to have the camera take us that way, that is very, 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 very casted. But if you kind of see over there, well, you have to believe me that that's where the Miami skyline is, okay? So imagine when there are no clouds and everything is blue, you have the greenery, followed by the ocean, followed by the Miami skyline, where at night is a breathtaking view, okay? All right. I'm going to keep going through the terrace, this way. Why do I say terrace and not balcony? Because this is an this is an odd number. So because this is an odd number, an even number, this is floor 10. We have a wider balcony, okay? If you are able to look through the camera to the upper ceiling right there, you can see that the balcony on floor 11 ends up right here. But ours is about 1.5 feet longer. It's wider, okay? And I'm going to take you around because since this is a corner apartment, you have a wraparound balcony. So you will be, again, let's look at that way. You're going to be overlooking Crandon Park, the water, the Miami skyline, and all the ocean in the backdrop, okay, which I trust me, it's there. And let's come this way. Oh, my hair is gonna look so beautiful after this. All right, this way you have the rest of the wraparound, okay? And you are looking that way also towards the ocean, okay? So this is the west building. This is the west apartment, but because it is a corner, it has all this amazing quote-unquote terrace because it's on an even floor. Through the corridor, and we're gonna see the third bedroom on the right. Full size, okay, big windows, super full of light. And we're gonna go to the second bedroom, which is pretty much a twin bedroom of the one that we just saw right here. So you see there are two healthy bedrooms, which are serviced by this bathroom right here. Okay, and we're gonna go back because I wanted to do it this way so that you can have an idea. This bathroom right here, which is also a full bathroom, okay? This was converted. It used to be only a half bath, the powder room, but it got converted into a third bathroom. So you have two bedrooms here and two bathrooms. Got it? Now we're gonna go to the master suite. Come on down. Again, you can see from going this way that it's a very healthy, spacious master bedroom with, again, a big window. And of course here you have the master bath. Okay, the master bath is here, and on this closet you will have the washer and dryer. It's a regular washer and dryer. However, because this building was built before 1980, at that time there were no washer and dryers allowed on the apartment units. However, the Commodore was able to accommodate people that would create washer and dryer spaces in their properties because it's such a spacious apartment. So this unit in particular has a washer and dryer. And the building has a very healthy washer and dryer room for any purpose. And there is a washer and dryer room on every floor. Okay? So that's how it works. So let's go back to the living area because I want to point out something to you which I think it is important, especially for us Key Biscayers, that we appreciate so much the view, which you are not seeing right now, but that's okay, we're imagining it, right? Okay, so let's go this way. If you stand right here, and we're gonna have Olga coming this way, okay, I want her to point out to this wall altogether. All right? So you can see that all those areas, all those windows are looking towards the ocean. In this case, towards the bay. But the beauty of the view in this apartment, when the weather cooperates, it's absolutely outstanding. So, I just wanted to welcome you to the Commodore Club to let you know that all my information is available in case you need any questions regarding this or any other property. But right now we're really focusing on this one. My telephone number is 305-798-6010. That is 305-798-6010. In social media, I am Vivianna Deluxe. Quite a little bit of an understanding there. Vivianna is spelled with 2 N's, Vivianna Deluxe. And my email is viviannadeluxe@aol.com. Thank you so much for accompanying me this afternoon in looking at Commodore Club West 1001, and I hope to hear from you very soon. Have a wonderful afternoon.